Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to highlight your cursor with a circle. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Open your computer and go to the Windows search bar. Type just mouse, and you will see the mouse settings as shown in the video. Click on Mouse Settings. Next, click on Additional Mouse Options. Go to the Pointer Options tab and click on it. Check the box for Show Location of Pointer when I press the CTRL key. Now, click Apply and then OK. The changes to the cursor settings have been applied successfully. You can now highlight anything with the cursor by pressing the Control key. Simply move the cursor to the point you want to highlight and press the Control key to highlight it.